he needs that entire wall.
I'll make this one good.
Yep. Oh, great.
Hi guys, it's Emilee and Lora here. We're just going to give you a quick update to what we've been up to lately.
Yeah, you haven't seen a lot of new content from us lately. You've probably seen a lot of our shorts that we've been putting out, which has been a lot of fun. But the reason is because Katie, our editor, has moved on to new endeavors. And so Emilee and I have been winging it and trying to learn how to edit and how to shoot on our own. And it's been really fun.
Really fun.
Yeah, we've learned a lot.
We have so much great content coming your way, but we just wanted you to bear with us a little longer while we get things wrapped up into something that's acceptable to our standards for all of you.
Right, right. It's allowed us to kind of sit back a little bit too and look at our old content that we had out there and kind of change it up a little bit. So I think that you guys might like it.
Yeah.
So hang in there with us.
Yes.
Thanks, guys.
Thank you.
That was a weird smile.
So if he's at a desk, these can go. I gotta find it.
Looks good.
What? I had my tape measure with me.
I kind of like that.
Cameras?
We can switch, it can catch from different angles.
Oh, okay.
Yeah.
Yeah.